Hi there, hope you're all doing okay. This is going to be a quick unboxing to show you what's inside the September Glossybox. I know you are desperate to know what's inside. It's a PR box. They kindly send them to me for free in exchange for me showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I'll pop links to the box down below in my description as well as all the information that you need. But yeah, I am super busy at the moment. I've been out all day and I'm popping out again and I've got a ton of videos I need to edit. So I know you're desperate to see what's inside. So here we go, a little mini unboxing. So please let me know what you think and let's get on to showing you what's inside. And I've just ripped this open, it doesn't come like this. 5 beauty products, over 50, use code GLOSSY to get a surprise at checkout. So if you're interested in this box for yourself. Okay, we have a little QR code there, which we scan for more information about the products. But first up, we've got the Ritual of Myrrh. This is a nourishing shampoo with argan oil and shikakai. I think that's how you say it. And there's 70 mils here. Something new for me, which I'm excited about. There's that. Here we have got a Grand Cosmetics Grand Lash MD. It's a lash enhancing serum. So it's a clear serum. Hold on. So this is what it looks like. So it's a clear lash serum you apply to your lashes to help them grow. So yeah, I don't think I've heard of this brand before. Grand Lash MD. Nope. Next, we've got an eyeshadow To Die For by the brand Tease. Again, it's a new brand. Tease. Okay. This is in shade On The Go or Glow On The Go. And that's what it looks like there. So nice gold toned shimmery shadow there. Next, we've got Brow Atelier. This is Defy Brow Styling Brow Soap. And that's what it looks like. You can see the clear gel there. And then you've got a little brush there to comb through your brows. Oh, I like that. So yeah, see what that's like on my brows. Oh, I'm already dropping things. I'm no good with just one hand. Next, we have got a Balance Me Radiance Face Oil. This is 100% natural. And yeah, more information would be on the QR code. Hold on, I'll just show it to you, just in case you want to screenshot this to have a closer look at the products if you want to. Normally there's 5 products in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we got a few more here. Okay, Garnier Skin Active Ultra Lift Eye Sheet Mask, smooth crow's feet and firm eye contours. So there's a mask. And I think, are these samples? I'm not too sure. This is Glowish by Huda Beauty. So different colour skin tint there. I like to try that. And lastly, we've got a drink. This is non-alcoholic G&T. I like this. So we've got a little bottle there. You'll struggle to tell the difference. Brilliant. Okay, 15 calories and £5 off in store. Look, we all get a bottle of gin. Alcoholic. Free. Non-alcoholic, crisp, dry, botanical spirit. Yeah, a really great box this month, I think. So we got the gin, which is free. We've got the Glowish, little samples there. And then we've got a eye mask. We've got a facial oil. We've got a single eyeshadow. We've got a shampoo. And we've got a styling brow soap. And lastly, we've got a lash serum. So yeah, not bad at all. Not bad at all. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please comment down below and I'll be back to my usual unboxing soon. Take care. Bye.